Alright, this is funny as heck, okay? I just did this. You got a microphone, and you got a delay pedal, a cheap one, one of the Danelectrics, like this right here. Little peanut butter, PB&J delay pedal. Get it on, you plug this into the end, you plug the other end into the amplifier, whether it be a cord. Get it set just right, and man, you can have some real good fun with sounds. I'm going to demonstrate a little bit here. This might be a little disgusting, but oh well.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do another one. This time I'm going to be a little louder, okay?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Okay.
Alright, here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
And all I'm saying is, yeah. Okay. This time I'm going to go up and see what it does. Ready?
Yeah.
Almost sounded like a dog yipping. Oh, that's funny. Let's do it one more time.
Yeah.
And you can play with it. That's the fun part.
Yeah.
See what I mean? Let's do a little bit more.
Hello.
Wonder how that sounds slowed. Alright. Ready?
Hello.
Okay. One more? One more? Fast to slow. Okay. Or no. Let's do slow to fast. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that was two. Do fast to slow.
What's up? What's up?
Okay, I'm gonna quit. Oh man, this is funny. Go have fun with it, okay? Remember, delay pedal, a little cheap one, Danelectric PB&J, that works good. And just a cheap old microphone. This thing wasn't but $15 or so. And an amp. Or you can plug it into your computer if you have a little converter cord or in. Oh, that was fun.